Adeline's Invisalign treatment update. She started her Invisalign treatment journey back in April. How do they feel?
It's so weird.
Are they okay though? Yeah, they don't hurt or anything? It's been 3 months. What are we doing today? You're getting an attachment. That means you're getting that little knob on that little vampire.
Yeah.
We just got her new liners.
It's Tuesday, so we can open another packet. I'm on week 4 of 21.
And now here is Addy's drama-free back-to-school morning routine.
We use hot water, cleaning crystals. Now we shake it up for 20 seconds. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna drain it. Open it up. Just rinse it out with the cold water. That is it. Invisalign stickers that my mom got me. So we peel slowly and reveal it slowly. Ta-da!